Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Gurgaon location. It is from Haryana. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for process executive position from Infosys BPM Limited. It is for Gurgaon location, Haryana. So for this position, you must have completed your graduation and you should be having knowledge and experience on ticketing tools, chart platforms, and you should be understanding of telecom industry products, ISP related services, etc., and understanding of common technical terminologies required and displays superb customer service skills and capabilities. Basic operating system knowledge is required and also knowledge of common ISP products and services and good analytical ability and ability to navigate common user interface elements and should be having skills like good reading skills and ability to understand ambiguous information, probe and consolidate into usable data and communicate to the user in a language. So these are the some of the responsibilities and some of the skills are provided here. You please check with all the information, and fresher candidates are eligible to apply for this position. So interested candidates, if you are eligible to apply for this position, or if you have any queries or if you want to know further detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for customer service associate position from American Express. So it is for Gurgaon location, Haryana. So for this position, you should be having excellent communication skills and provide superior customer experience on calls to customer card members and resolve all customer queries and follow established procedures as appropriate and provide alternatives and apply superior service member call handling skills and to ensure best possible solutions and FCR to card members to identify the mood, profile and need of the customer and leverage these details to offer the best suited benefits or products to the customer while being compliant with the laid guidelines, and you need to deliver to the customer, employees and shareholder metrics as per goals and highlight issues through feedback and recommend changes in workflows, procedures, service levels based on customer demands to meet their needs and ensure quality service is given at all times, adherence to quality and compliance guidelines, and you should be having ability to take quick decisions and respond to customer inquiries. So these are the requirements and also some of the skills required for this position, and you should be require some past experience like previous sales experience while providing top notch customer service background desired. So interested candidates, you can check with the all the details provided here, and if you want to know further details about this job opening, you can refer in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for executive assistant position to CEO. So it is from NMG Technologies. It is for Gurgaon location, and they are going to offer a salary for this position is 35,000 rupees per month. Next, coming to job description, format information for internal or external communication, memos, emails, reports, handles confidential information, organizes and maintains files, ability to organize a daily workload by priorities and manage executives' calendars, set up meetings. So this is about the job description, and next coming to required candidate profile. So the candidate should be having good English writing and speaking skills and good experience on Excel and reporting tools and should be strong in follow up on issues and should be prompt and trustworthy and should be a good team player. So these are the some of the details provided for this position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, if you are suitable to apply, then you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr@nmztechnologies.com. Next one, there is a job opening for process coordinator position from NMG Technologies. It is for Gurgaon location. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 25,000 rupees per month. And coming to job description and also required candidate profile. Firstly, we are going to discuss about the job description, and the candidate should be experienced in Google Sheets like Google Docs, Google Spreadsheets, etc., and should have a very good data management experience and problem solving skills or quick learner, and should have good knowledge in MS Office applications, and also good communication skills are required for this position. Next, coming to required candidate profile. The candidate must be communicating with employees about project, event, or campaign expectations and goals, and documenting and follow up on important actions and decisions from meetings, monitoring project plans. So these are the some of the details provided here for this position. So interested candidates, if you are suitable to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr@nmgtechnologies.com. Next one, there is a job opening for accountant position from NMG Technologies. So it is for Gurgaon location, and they are going to offer a salary for this position is 30,000 rupees per month. Next, coming to job description, you should be having knowledge of QuickBooks and Tally, and you need to prepare GST data and sync with the GST department, and you need to handle monthly, quarterly, and annual closings for TDS, ITR, PF, ESI, and payroll, and you should be having experience in international remittances and transactions, and you need to prepare budget forecasts in MIS. So next, coming to desired candidate profile. So you need to keep updated with the latest ITR, GST, PF, ESI updates, and you should be having knowledge of GST rewards input, and you should be having experience in QuickBooks and Tally accounting software, and also advanced MS Excel skills is required in VLOOPs and pivot tables. So you should be having knowledge in VLOOKUPs, uh, v, uh, VLOOKUPs and also pivot tables in MS Excel. So interested candidates, if you have skills provided, if you have mentioned skills are provided, so if you know the all the skills provided here, and if you have any queries regarding these, you can check here once, and you can also approach them with the given mail id, or else if you have a, if you are suitable to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is hr@nmgtechnologies.com. Next one, there is a job opening for automation tester position from NMC Technologies. It is for Gurgaon location, and they are going to offer a salary for this position is 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs rupees per annum. Next, coming to job description, some of the roles and responsibilities are provided here. Like it should be having about 3 years of experience in testing web, mobile, and other applications, and also should be having experience in creating automation framework using Selenium WebDriver, Java, Appium, TestNG, and also experience in all aspects of software lifecycle, application structure, debugging, performance, security, and deployment, and excellent written and verbal communication skills, and also expert knowledge of QA and SDLC processes, associated best practices, and test case development and maintenance. And you should be having knowledge of issue tracking systems like Jira or ClickUp, etc., defect management tool. So you need to exposure to Postman scripting and also to mobile testing, and you should be having experience with the Agile, Scrum processes, and you should be proficient understanding of client-side scripting and JavaScript frameworks. So these are the roles and responsibilities, and you need to familiar with all the responsibilities and the skills provided here. So interested candidates, if you are suitable to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr@nmgtechnologies.com. Next one, there is a job opening for iOS team lead. So it is from NMZ Technologies. It will be a urgent hiring. So it is located in Gurgaon location. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum. Next, coming to roles and responsibilities, you need to develop delivery and maintenance of mobile applications for iOS devices, and you need to improve code quality and maintainability by staying up to date on new technologies and development approaches, and you need to ensure the mobile platform is safe, secure, and compatible with the latest devices and iOS versions, and you need to provide give support for the development of mobile projects and device solutions that are maintainable and scalable, and identify, diagnose, and resolve production issues identify opportunities for process and tool improvements and perform the implementation, and you need to communicate with the client around technical issues and the capabilities or limitations of iOS. So these are the roles and responsibilities. Next, coming to required skills, you must have developed applications for US clients, and you must have worked on project management tools, and you should be having strong knowledge of one or more design patterns like MVVM, Viper or MVP, and you can write functional documents. So these are the required skills for this position. So interested candidates, if you are eligible to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail id, and or else you can approach them with the given mail id, that is hr@nmztechnologies.com. Next one, there is a job opening for administrator position, administrator others position from ITC Infotech. It is for Gurgaon location. So next, coming to job description, proactive monitoring of events in command center, correlation and diagnosis of events, remediation of issues triggered through monitoring or no impact incidents, identify recurring incidents and establish remediation plans, and should be able to engage vendors to get issues fixed, and ability to establish alliances with other teams through recognition of dependencies, and should be able to efficiently hand over to overlapping shift across the globe and suggest process improvements to increase efficiencies to increase the organization's capacity. So this is about the job description. So interested candidates, if you want to know other detailed information or else if you have any queries regarding this job opening, you can approach them or you can visit in the official website link provided here, and you can also apply to this job through this link only. I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for AM merchandising position from Adidas. So it is for Gurgaon location. Next, coming to minimum qualification and experience details, you should be having 3 to 4 years of experience in sales and or marketing, ideally with retail focus, and it belongs to fashion or shoes for FMCG or e-commerce industry. So next, coming to key responsibilities, you need to provide the seasonal assortment plan for all stores in scope, brand or channel on time in full, and you need to offer merchandising plan reflecting the key seasonal highlights and local needs, and you need to manage and maximize sell through and other merchandising KPIs and initiate relevant action steps, and you should be responsible for the inventory by store of the depicted region or stores for proper buying and risk management of overstock, and you need to manage and execute all the in-season activities like refills, inter-store transfers, and in-season discounting and inventory corruption steps and EOSS. So these are the key responsibilities. You can check here with all the details provided here, and the interested candidates, if you want to know other detailed information or if you have any queries regarding this job opening, you can refer in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for process associate position from real time data services. It is for Gurgaon location, and they are going to offer a salary for this position is 20,000 rupees per month, and you should be having excellent oral and written communication skills for this position, and you should have done your BCom graduation. Fresher candidates like 2019 to 2021. So these passed out candidates this year passed out candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and you should be having excellent IQ. So next, coming to job description, ensuring that all records, documents and compliance are properly maintained to avoid any loss of record, and creating and issuing invoice to international clients, creating dashboards and MIS for weekly and monthly invoices, and updating and maintaining customer records in billing portal ERP, and you need to manage queries of clients and coordinating with interdepartmental teams to provide timely and efficient resolutions, and you need to manage payment gateways for collection and reconciling the payment received in their banks, and following up on accounts receivable and collecting the past due invoices, and you need to handle billing queries of the customers over the chats, calls and emails, and you need to prepare necessary uh, track codes of payments verification and follow-ups. So this is about the job description, like some of the roles and responsibilities are provided here. So you can check here with all the information, and if you want to know other detailed information, you can check in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.